Hello friends, today we will study how to take out the factors through factor trees. But before that, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, then please do share this video. So, what is a factor? A factor is a number that can be multiplied to give a specific number. Fine? It is a number that can be multiplied to give a specific number. For an example, factors of 12 are 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are the factors of 12. In a similar way, 5 and 6 are the factors of 30. Fine? We will study how to take out the factor. But we are using a factor tree, that is a very convenient method of taking out factors. So what is a factor tree? A factor tree is a tool which helps in finding out all the prime factors of a number. So you will do factorization through prime factors. Here every branches are split into factors, and when the factors turns out to be a prime number, then we don't further branch the number. Come, let's start with an example. Here we have number 10. So we need to find out the factors of 10. So you start multiplying it with 2. So 2 5s are 10. So 2 and 5 are the factors of 10. Here you can see that 5 and 2 both are prime factors, so we won't further branch it. However, in number 30, you can see that 30 can be written as 3 into 10. But since 3 is a prime factor, we won't branch it again. But 10 is not a prime factor, so branches continue. Now 10 can be written as 5 into 2 or 2 into 5. Now both 5 and 2 are prime factors. So the final factors would be, final factors of 30 are 2, 3 and 5. 2 into 3 into 5 will give you 30. But what if you factor 30 instead of 3 into 10, 5 into 6? Now in 5 into 6 you can see that 5 is already a prime number, so we won't branch it. But 6 is a prime number. 6 is not a prime number, so we will further branch it into prime factors, that is 3 into 2. But if you will see that, then in previous factors and in when we are multiplying it with 5 into 6 and 3 into 10, the output prime factors are the same, 2 into 3 into 5. So if you factorize 30 with 2 into 15, then also you will get the same answer as 2 into 3 into 5. So this in any ways you factorize 30, you will get the factors as 2, 3 and 5. Moving on to another example, that is 36. 36 can be written as 6 into 6. Now 6 is not a prime number, so 6 will be further factorized as 3 into 2 in both sides. Now both are prime numbers, so 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 will give you 36. This is also known as prime factorization. Now let's move on to another example, that is 40. 40 can be multiplied as 2 into 20. 2 is a prime factor, so we won't further branch. Now 20 can be written as 4 into 5. Now 5 is already a prime number, so we won't branch it again. But 4 is not a prime number, so we will branch it as 2 into 2. So now the final output will be all the boxes which is in orange form. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, that will give you 40. So hope you like this video and hope you understood how we can do a prime factorization. So for more videos, stay tuned to my channel, and if you like this video, then please share this video in different social media platforms. Bye bye, take care.